Hi guys, here in Asian method. So also to start here in our salad. Yeah, first salad with mix. See, tomato, red beans, sweet corn, onions. Yeah, is complete. This good. This is for the vinegar sauce. And for the vinegar sauce is very nice. See? Vinegar with little sugar. Very nice this. Nice it, huh? And next will be move on nuggets. Yes, nuggets. See? Wow. It's hot. Very hot. See? It's nugget. Then next sabji. Ooh la la, very hot sabji. See? And the toppings, green pepper. Okay, next dal. Yes, wow, creamy, yeah. Okay, the next is for the Filipino for food, and the menu is beef apretada. Voila, beef apretada. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.